channel. So today I bought something new for you all guys. So let's get started with the video. Here are the materials that you will need. Firstly, take a wire and wrap it around a circular object. Now take some beads and pass it through the wire as shown. Now secure the wire by twisting the ends as shown. Now take some thread according to the size of your wrist and now tie the thread from both sides. Now take some beads of your choice and pass it through the thread as shown. Now tie a knot. Now here I am using foam flower and some buds, and now I'll attach both of these together. Now here I am cutting extra wires. Now paste this on the ring. There you go, your Rakhi is ready. Make 2 more beads rings in different sizes. Now again wrap them together. Now here I am making latkan. First of all, take flour and pass it through the needle. Now put some beads however you like. Don't forget to tie the knot. It's very important. In total, you will need 3 latkans for this lumba. Now tie all the 3 latkans together with the help of thread. Now here I am using hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can skip this step and simply tie the knot. Now put some hot glue gun on the sides also, only just a little bit. Now cut any excess off. Now again I am preparing the same flower for this too, and now stick it onto rings. Cut off extra wire. And now again take thread and tie it. If you don't have any specific thread, then you can use moly. Now put some beads on top too. And now again I am sticking small flower on top. There you go, your lumba is also ready. So this is a couple set. You can make it very easily at your home. Here are the materials for second Rakhi. Take this silver kind of lace. And now stick stickers. I am writing here bro. You can write sister also. Now cut off a little extra from the edges. Now take some decorative chain and glue it on the boundaries. Now take any thread and paste it on the back side. There you go, your another Rakhi is also completed. Here are the materials for third Rakhi. Cut out Mickey Mouse face shape on black sparkle sheet, or you can cut out whichever shape you want. Now stick the bow. Now take ribbon and stick it on the back side of Mickey Mouse. Now here I am using R letter. You can use whichever letter you want, or you can also skip this step. There you go, your third Rakhi is also completed. Here are the materials for fourth Rakhi. I am using here 2 bangles. You can use 2 or 3. It depends upon the width of your bangle. Now stick both of bangles together. Now here I am covering it with red ribbon. You can use any color that you want. Just make sure that you tie the ribbon tightly. Now here I am using golden ribbon also. Now cut out circle from thin cardboard. Here I am using red and golden flowers and golden buds to decorate it. First of all, cut off the excess wire and stick it onto the circle. Now here I am using big flower in the middle. Now make 2 of this. Take some thread and pass it through the flower as shown. And pass some beads also, however you like. Here the latkan is completed. You will need 2 of these. You will need thread also. Now stick a long thread put some beads on top too. Now tie both of the latkan together and stick it on the back side. Now take your bangle and some buds and flowers. Cut off the wires and stick it on to the bangle as shown. And just like that, complete a hole around the circle. Now take your latkan and stick another circle on the back side to cover up threads. Now paste your latkan on bangle, and to secure it in place, just cut a piece of ribbon and stick onto it. And there you go, your lumba is ready. Now for Rakhi, take thread and stick it on the back side of flowers. Now on both sides pass some beads, and there you go, your Rakhi is completed. I hope you liked my video, and if do so, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.